2017, 5 guys rowed 3,500 miles across the Atlantic Ocean to break a world record.
It's natural to feel nervous because, it's going to be the biggest expedition of my life.
Along the way, we encountered huge mechanical issues, rough seas, horrendous weather, and social problems.
Teams arguing, a bit of low points.
And this is our story. Teammate Duncan and I met when we drove to the skipper's house in Amsterdam a few months before the expedition would start. We'd meet the other team members on the way. We were the Atlantic Allies with a mission to row from Europe to South America in under 50 days. Over a weekend, we received a crash course in ocean rowing, with demonstrations of life on board the boat, the routine, demonstrations of safety equipment, and the routine for different groups on work and rest. After weeks of back and forth, we assembled in Portugal in early December and set about preparing the boat. We took Rose, our 8-metre long boat, out for sea trials and brought as much fresh food to keep ourselves in the best condition for the expedition. We'd not known each other long, only a matter of weeks, but together started to get to grips with what this challenge was all about. After 10 days of preparing and waiting for the right weather, we finally set off.